Okay, this is it. This is the module where we actually start meditating. You've got all the knowledge you need. Now it's time to put it into practice. First, when to meditate. The ideal time is first thing in the morning, before you check your phone, before email, before the news, before breakfast. Why? Because your mind is at its freshest and calmest. It hasn't been filled with the day's events yet. If your morning is absolutely impossible, find whatever consistent time works for your life. The key word is consistent. Same time, every day. Second, how long? 30 minutes minimum. I know that sounds like a lot, especially when you're just starting. But here's why. The first 15 to 20 minutes is settling time. Your mind is busy, it's processing, it's chattering. That's normal. The real practice, the good stuff, happens after you've settled in. If you only sit for 15 minutes, you're stopping right when things are getting going. 30 minutes gives you real practice time after the settling period. Third, where to meditate. Find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. This doesn't need to be a special meditation room, a corner of your bedroom, a comfortable chair in the living room, even a quiet office. Turn your phone off. Not silent, off. If there are other people in the house, let them know you'll be meditating. Fourth, how to sit. You've got options. A comfortable chair is perfectly fine. You want your feet flat on the floor. You want your back supported, but not overly upright. A meditation cushion on the floor, if that's comfortable. A meditation bench. Sitting against the wall with a cushion. The key principle is to be upright, but not overly rigid. You want to be alert, but not tense. You want to be comfortable enough that pain doesn't dominate your session. And one crucial rule, once you've settled in, try not to move during the session. Do not move at all. This will take some getting used to, but trust me, you will see the benefits even after just a few meditation sessions. Let me walk you through exactly what a complete 30-minute Tranquil Mind meditation session looks like from beginning to end. You've found your quiet spot. Your phone is off. You've set aside 30 minutes or longer for your meditation sitting. So step one, you will sit down, close your eyes, and do the 4 smiles. Lips, eyes, mind, heart. Take about 30 seconds with this. Feel the warmth begin to build. Step 2. For the first 10 minutes, send loving kindness to yourself. Rest your attention on the warm feeling in your chest. Use your phrases. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Remember, about 75% on the feeling and about 25% on the phrases. When your mind wanders, gently come back. No judgment. Step 3. After about 10 minutes, transition to your spiritual friend. Place them in the center of your chest. Feel the warmth surrounding them. Switch your phrases. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. Stay with them for the remaining 20 minutes. Step 4. Throughout the whole session, when your mind wanders off your meditation object, and it will, use the 6 R's. Recognize you wandered. Release the distraction. Relax any tension. Re-smile. Return to metta. Repeat. Don't beat yourself up. Just come back. Every return is a win. Step 5. When your time is up, that is 30 minutes when starting out, don't jump up immediately. Sit for another minute or two. Notice how you feel. Take a few deep breaths. Gently open your eyes. Appreciate the peace you've cultivated. That's it. That's the whole thing. Not complicated. Just do it every day. Now, here's the truth about meditation. One session doesn't change your life. Consistent daily practice does. The single most important thing is showing up every day. A so-called mediocre 30-minute session is infinitely more valuable than a perfect session that you only do once a week. Think about it like learning to play the piano. If you practice for 5 minutes every day, you'll make real progress. If you practice for 3 hours once a month, you probably won't get anywhere. Your mind works the same way. Daily repetition builds the neural pathways. So, here's your assignment, the 7-day challenge. For the next 7 days, please meditate for at least 30 minutes every day, same time, same place. Mark it on your calendar. Set an alarm. Treat it like an appointment that you can't cancel. Now, some tips for making it stick. First, attach it to an existing habit. If you always make coffee or tea in the morning, meditate right before that coffee or tea. The coffee or tea becomes your reward. Second, prepare the night before. Set out your cushion or identify the chair you're going to sit in. Make the space ready so there's no friction in the morning. Third, start with a just sit down mindset. On the days that you don't feel like it, tell yourself, I'm just going to sit down. I can stop after 5 minutes if I want. You almost never will. Track your consistency. Keep a record that you meditated. Each day that you sit, mark it. There's something powerful about seeing an unbroken streak building up. After 7 days, assess. How do you feel compared to a week ago? Any changes in your daily life? Then recommit for the next week and the next. And one more thing. Please don't judge your meditation sessions as good or as bad. There are no bad sessions. There are only sessions where your mind wandered a lot and you practiced returning a lot. Every session counts. The most distracted meditation is still far better than no meditation. So, go do it. Sit for 30 minutes. The best time to meditate is today, and the second best time is first thing tomorrow morning.